Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2021 Kia Seltos, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillight. It's just a regular factory taillight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be slip solution, tack solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So all we need to do is apply slip solution onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, remove all the contaminants that the taillight may have. And then once you're done prepping the taillight, we can start with the installation. So once you finish prepping the panel, now we can start with the installation. So all you need to do is apply slip solution onto the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you're going to place the film, and we're going to start by aligning these two sections of the film to the edge of the taillight here. So first align one end first. I recommend starting with the bottom one because the top one, once you align it, it's going to overlap just a little bit with this one. So align it on the edge. Once you have it on the edge, we're going to tack down this one first. So apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and start tacking it down. And make sure you remove any solution that's trapped behind this section of the film. And now that we have this one secured, now let's secure the top one. So same steps, make sure it's aligned on top. Apply tack solution, keep it aligned, and apply tack solution on top, and then hold it in position, and with your squeegee tack it down to secure it. Okay. And if you notice, when you're doing the installation, you are going to have these fingers here. Those fingers will disappear once we stretch the film to that end. So that's why we need to make sure this section is all secured first. That way, once we stretch, the film does not move. Okay, now that both of them are secured, we stretch the film to reach to the other edge and to remove these fingers. So all you need to do in order to stretch the film is lift the film carefully, apply slip solution, place it back down, and just stretch it until it reaches to the edge here. And if you notice, the fingers that we had here are gone, so just keep it aligned and stretched. So hold it in position and just start tacking it down to secure it. And you can also apply tack solution, that way the film stays tacked down and it doesn't shift as we're tacking it down. So hold it and tack it down. And now as you can see, the film has formed. All the fingers that were here are gone. And all we need to focus now is just tacking down the rest of the panel and making sure we remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film. And like I mentioned, just make sure you remove all the solution that's trapped behind the film. So just apply tack solution, that way our squeegee is able to glide and tack down the whole film. And once you're done, now we can move on with the last piece here. So now we're moving on to this piece. The same steps that were applied for this one, you would just do the same. So align here first, and then just work your way on each section of the film. Make sure you remove all the solution. If you need to stretch to reach to this end, you can stretch it. And also the film covers the lower section of the taillight here, so keep that in mind. Just do the same steps and then you should be good. Apply it on the edge here first. Make sure it's aligned. Apply tack solution to tack it down. This, like I mentioned, goes tucked in underneath. Apply tack solution to tack it down, and that's pretty much it. So when it comes to this piece, all you need to do is place the film and align it. You could do this the dry method, or you could do this the wet method. It's completely up to you. Just make sure you keep everything aligned when you are applying the film. So if you're doing the wet method, usual method, just apply slip solution, keep it aligned on the edge, and that's pretty much it. And you can also apply tack solution. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate a little bit faster, and it stays tacked down to the lens here. So make sure tack it down. And that's pretty much it. And now the last thing we need to do is pulse seat the entire tail light. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. So once you finish with the whole installation for the tail light, the last thing to do is to pulse seat the entire panel. So in order to pulse seat, apply tack solution to the entire tail light, and we're going to use our heat gun to start heating all around the film. And this will help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and we're also helping to tack down with our microfiber towel and removing any solution that's still trapped behind the film. So once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tint for the 2021 Kia Seltos. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.